श्रीमती Kanimozhi.
Thank you, sir. I raise to oppose this bill, which has been brought here to make a right wrong. I'd like to quote Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Such was his integrity and commitment to the Constitution that he said, "If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it." Today, the legislature, the Constitution, everything is made a mockery of. This bill, it's a Constitution Amendment bill, and it has been brought and forced upon the Parliament, both the houses of the Parliament, overnight, without being sent to the Standing Committee, without being sent to the Select Committee, and without giving any member time to even reflect upon it. And this is what is happening to the Constitution. This is what is happening to the country today. That they think, the government thinks that they can unilaterally decide everything and just force whatever their decisions are on the people of this country. Sir, I come from the land of Periyar, which has a history of social justice legislation for more than 100 years. It was the first state to provide voting rights for women, and it was the first state to pass the first communal GO. It was the Justice Party which passed it. It was our leader, Dr. Kalangar, who formed the first Backward Classes Commission in the year 1969 and increased the reservation for OBCs from 25 to 30%. Yesterday, our leader, MK Stalin, has opposed this constitutional amendment bill when he spoke in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly and reiterated the DMK's opposition to reservation based on economic criteria. Sir, the basic objective of reservation is to make sure that the historic wrong done to people in the name of religion and caste to the people of this country has to be made right. It is not out of mercy. It is their right that they deserve to be given their reservation. We have to understand, it is not economics. It is not because they were poor that they were denied rights to education and place in the governance. It is because they were born into particular castes which some people thought was less than them, lower than them, that they were deprived of any right. In this country, even today, there are children who have to drink from different pots in schools because they belong to the Dalit community. We cannot forget the mindset of those children, how insulted they would feel in the same school premises because of the discrimination they face day in and day out. And working places are not above it. When you are a Dalit, when you are an OBC, you still face discrimination. So it is your birth. You can change your religion. You can change your economic status. You cannot change your caste. Even if you move from one religion to another, your caste, unfortunately, in this country, follows you.